happy wife, happy life.
Good morning, guys. So, we're getting ready to leave to go to the mall. Actually, we're not gonna take too long there kasi ayaw kong masyadong expose sa labas ng dalawa kasi nga inuubo pa. We're just gonna go to Carter's to find their cute outfits for their photo shoot next weekend. So, Calvo, nililinis niya yung dalawa at binibihisan habang ako ay nagbibihis kasi matagal ako magbihis. I didn't do my eyebrows because I don't know how to do it. Plus, I don't have time to play with it. Ayan, nandito na.
I can do eyebrows. I did it a
Stop.
long time ago. I'm good at that.
Kalbo na maglalagay ng
If anybody
filter.
wants me to do her eyebrows, just let me know.
Whatever. So, ayan na guys, yung dalawa, bihis na, meron silang jacket, mamaya ako na isusuot. Look at that! Ang macho! Tayo nakabuka yung bibig. Macho! Macho na.
Yeah, look at my muscle.
Lusog.
Just like daddy's. Oh.
And here's Brayden. Nag-enjoy sa kanyang mobile. Hi, baby. Let's take a picture, hon. Put him here.
Oh, his hair's all messed up.
Let's take a picture and send it to Grandma. Hi, baby. Ang hirap ng picture ng dalawang to. Hi! Ang hirap i-entertain. Hi, honey! Smile for mommy, baby. Take picture! Take a picture! See cheese! See cheese, baby! Ayan. Mommy's going to prepare your diaper bag. You guys are so cute and chunky. Ayan guys, twins are ready. Hindi ko muna nilagyan ng jacket kasi mainit pala sa labas. Dapat nagpalit din ako ng damit kaya lang wala nang time maghanap ng magkakasya sa aking damit. Ayan, they're always like this when we're going out. They're always sleeping. So, Daddy is preparing the car. Babaunin ko yung kanilang jacket. Brayden is so tired. Dawson is getting there. And guys, it's so nice outside. Starting to be warm. We're gonna use the expedition today because we're taking their stroller.
These little sunglasses.
Sunglasses. I like the expedition. There's a lot of space.
Yeah, I love a good car.
Then the truck is so tight and
Expedition's just old and rusty.
it's just old. We could not trust this for a long travel.
Here, I'll let you have that.
Hi, Daddy will put something so you guys won't have heat in your face. Daddy is putting some, what do you call it, Han?
I
Shade.
guess it's a shade to help.
Yeah, para hindi marawan ang mukha nila. Look. Dawson. Actually, Dawson looks so white kapag nasa labas at naarawan. Pares lang sila. Oh, that's actually Brayden. I said Dawson, that's actually Brayden and this is Dawson.
You don't know who your kids are.
I'm sorry guys, I got confused because they're so look-alike today. Oh, Daddy.
I can't help it.
Magkamukha yung dalawa today. I'm sorry baby, Mommy got confused. You're Brayden. Yes, you are Brayden. Daddy is fixing the wiper. Nasira nung pinupunasan niya yung windshield. Ito, naiinis na yan. Iksi ang pasensya ni Calvo sa mga ganyang bagay. Yun yung mukha, oh. That's why this car is too old. That's why we're planning to buy a van, but it's just too expensive. Naiinis na. How was it, Daddy?
Windshield wiper broke. I just have to buy a windshield wiper when I get back in town. Hopefully it doesn't
We
rain.
see you getting mad there.
I mean, it broke. Of all times, it's hot outside. I don't want to lean against the vehicle because it's dirty.
Yeah, I know. You're You're sweating.
I know.
So guys, the mall is like 30 minutes drive, right?
Something like that.
And it's actually outside, outdoor mall. So we're here outside the mall, but we decided not to go since the weather here is totally different from London, from our town. So it's kind of chilly and
Very
windy, very windy. So we decided not to go out because, of course, they still have cough and colds, and we're here outside the McDonald's because we haven't eat lunch. And Brayden, I was feeding Brayden kasi hindi siya kumain bago kami umalis. I tried to feed them pero si Dawson lang yung kumain, and he just vomit like a lot kasi yung plema nga. So we're just gonna get our order, then I'm gonna clean him up. I'm going to change his clothes kasi ang daming suka sa kanyang damit. Good thing I brought 2 jackets. Tapos yung kanyang, I think he will be okay, I guess. I don't think so. I think I have to clean him up. Kawawa naman kasi the drive is 30 minutes. So we're home na, guys. That was a nice trip. Tulog pa yung dalawa. I'm just gonna wash this blanket kasi puno ng suka ni Brayden, and I'm going to wipe him again. Linisin ko ng maigi kasi parang may mga suka-suka pa yung kilikili niya. Did you enjoy our trip?
I did. We got the stroller out, one baby in, and took the baby back out and put the stroller back up.
Yeah, andun na kami sa palabas na kami. Kaya lang, Diyos ko po, nagsimulang mag-iyakan yung dalawa. Talagang they're crying and they would not stop.
Nope.
We might try it again next week. It might be the weather might be a little bit consistent.
Maybe they'll just feel a little bit better too.
Yeah, and then they will feel better next week. So yun, guys, I'm just gonna put this up, yung kanilang gamit. Actually, I bought kids meal sa McDonald's and Digara toys. So I'm just gonna keep it, and then I'm gonna give it to them when they're older. Marami na akong ganito na itago ko from McDonald's. Ay, that was a stressful trip. Dito si Brayden ko. Tulog na tulog. Ayan, kawawa naman. Kasi sabi nga ng kanilang doktor, luluwa nila by, like, magto-throw up sila ng madalas kasi nilalabas nila yung plema. Kaya, ayan. Brayden ko is getting better actually. Tapos si Dawson naman, kakasimula lang kasi, I think it's like 3 days now. No, 4 days for Dawson and 7 days for Brayden. So, pagaling na siya, kaya niluluwa niya yung plema. Nachuchok siya kapag dumidede, and sabi ng doktor, yung minsan daw ilalabas nila yun by pooping. Smiling. Hi. Bibihisan ko lang at lilinisan kasi mukhang amoy suka pa. Look at Brayden here. He just woke up and he's a little bit fuzzy kasi nga yung kanyang lalamunan. But he just burped and umutot. Kaya huminto sa pag-iyak, yun lang pala ang iniiyak niya. Ay, you're so cute. Hindi ako sanay na nakita silang naka-short sleeves. Cute. I feel bad for you, baby. I hope mommy can stay home with you guys. Kaya lang wala akong masyadong vacation days. But Cowboy is thinking right now, Brayden, to might take a week off para dito lang sila sa bahay because wala kaming tiwala dun sa sitter nila kasi nga minsan nagchuchok sila, natakot kami na baka hindi niya mabantayan tapos bigla silang bulunan, mahirapan sa paghinga. Kaya they might just stay here or their grandma. Hi, Look at that, baby. Lagi nakabunga ka ang bebeg. Ah. How are you today, Brayden ko? Brayden ko? Brayden ko? Kanina pa to naglalambing si Baby B, Baby Brayden. Kasi nga masama ang pakaramdam niya. He's supposed to be getting better kasi 1 week na yung ubo niya, sabi ng doktor. Pag mga ganun daw, pawala na yun. Kaya lang, I think nahirapan lang siyang ilabas yung mucus. Baby, nangangalay na yung kamay ni Mami, pero okay lang yun. He likes to lay here. And Daddy went to store to buy spaghetti because we're supposed to have spaghetti for dinner. But he forgot the sauce, so he ended up buying KFC. Ayan, ayaw na niyang bumalik sa store para bumili ng sauce. Sabi niya pick up na lang daw siya ng KFC. So, ayan.
Yeah, I messed
Daddy.
up. I got everything but what we needed for dinner.
So, we might just have to cook spaghetti tomorrow. I'm having tenders, chicken tenders, and what is it, hon?
Macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese. Yun lang, guys. So, tomorrow, I think their grandmother will watch them. We're not gonna take them to babysitter kasi they're still sick. And mas panatag yung loob po pag nandun sila sa kanilang lola. So, we're gonna have our dinner. Then, it's going to be a rough night kasi nahirapan pa rin sila matulog. Kaya, we might have to sleep here on the couch. Mas gusto nilang matulog ng
Dinner, hon. I worked hard on
sa
it.
kanilang bouncer kasi hindi sila nakalay ng flat. So, mas gusto nila yung ganun. So, maraming salamat, everyone. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We might have to shop next week. We're gonna try again.
Yeah.
Kasi naudlot today.
Now, you know what? It feels pretty warm outside.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
So, yun lang for today. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Dawson is here.